Welcome, friends! Today we're exploring a clever, minimalist way to detect AC voltage without touching the wire. Why two transistors? Signal amplification. The signal captured from the air is extremely weak. Using two BC547 transistors creates a high-gain amplifier, so even a tiny induced voltage can drive the LED. Formula hint. Overall gain is roughly beta 1 times beta 2, where beta is the transistor current gain. Why a spring-shaped solid wire? Better antenna. The coiled wire increases surface area and acts like a capacitive pickup. This improves sensitivity to the AC electric field.
Does the coil shape really matter? Yes, more turns mean higher capacitance to the environment, which can boost detection range. However, too large a coil may also pick up noise.
Why a 9-volt battery instead of 3 volts? A higher supply voltage provides more headroom for the amplifier and ensures the 1-watt LED can light properly.
Quick relation: power equals V times I. Why solid wire instead of stranded wire? Solid wire keeps its shape as an antenna and maintains consistent sensitivity. Stranded wire bends easily and changes performance.
This circuit works by sensing the electric field around an AC cable, not by direct contact. Your body and the probe act like a tiny antenna that picks up stray AC signals.
Strengths of this circuit: simple and low cost, no direct contact with dangerous voltage, portable and battery powered. Limitations: sensitivity depends on environment, may detect nearby cables unintentionally, not a precise voltage tester. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative electronics ideas.